today's video, I would like to share with you some tips on propagating the airplane plant. The spider plant, or the airplane plant as some people call it, are commonly grown in hanging baskets because of its gracefully arching leaves and its stems that jet over the side carrying its babies. They do well as a house plant placed by a window or in the bathroom because they love moisture. But here down in the deep south, you'll see them in a hanging basket on the front porch. I started out with a trip to my recycle pile. This is where I keep my old pots that I have used and store them there so that I can reuse them. Reusing these old pots saves me money, keeps me from having to buy new pots every time I want to plant something, but it also keeps this plastic out of the landfills for just a little bit longer. Before I plant in these used pots, I make sure that I wash them well. It is important that they are clean, because if the plant that was once in there had some kind of disease, then it could be transferred to the new plant. Also, a buildup of mineral and salts just by fertilizing and watering can cause harm to your new plant as well. Each container has drainage holes, and it is important so that the water does not sit on the root. However, you need to put something in the bottom to keep the soil from falling out. So here I'm using some moss. We have plenty of this in our trees, but I've used leaves and also newspaper. Fill each container about 3/4 away full with soil. Once that is done, set your pots aside and focus on dividing your plant. Propagation is very simple. All you have to do is separate the babies from the parent plant and place it in soil. Begin by snipping off each shoot. Sometimes the baby plant will not stay in the fresh soil, so I take a small hair clip or bobby pin and anchor it to the soil. You want to water the baby plant weekly until established. it needs to be moist but not standing in water. This helps stimulate root production. By using the same method, you can place it in bigger pots or directly in the ground if your weather or climate allows for it to grow. Ideal growing temperature is between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, but the spider plant can tolerate temperatures as low as 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful.